G'day, OpalShop here from Australia. This is a deal of seam opal from Lightning Ridge in the OpalShop. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Rules in millimetres. Some of it's quite nice, bright material. Of course, like with any deal, there's some in there that's pretty worthless as well. But overall, I think you'll find you've got your money back plus a nice profit. No guarantees, of course. It's partly on your ability as well as there being the material in the parcel. But, a couple of the more attractive pieces. That's got like a sand on the top of it still. You can see that it finishes here. Literally the colour that you see is the colour that you're going to get. There's a crack in it there. Sorry, that little bit's going to break off. Some of the other pieces, this has got a nice colour bar there. Another bit poking out there. Bit on here again. Bit undulating. That bit's a bit of potch. I don't sort through it before I put it in the packets. It's generally larger deals. That's a nice bright piece, that piece. That's going to be the bottom with the black on it. Might have to end up using a Dremel type machine. And there's lots of little bright pieces. So there you go, gives you an idea. Thanks for watching.